Every day you open Google, YouTube, Instagram, or WhatsApp, and with just one tap, information appears instantly. But have you ever wondered what actually happens behind the scenes when you use the internet? How does your phone talk to servers that are thousands of kilometers away? And why does everything feel so fast most of the time? Today, let's understand how the internet really works in the simplest way possible. The internet is not the cloud, and it is not magic. It is a massive global network of computers connected using physical cables. These cables run under oceans, across countries, inside buildings, and even below your streets. Your phone connects to your Wi-Fi router, the router connects to your internet service provider, and from there your request travels through multiple networks until it reaches a server somewhere in the world. When you type a website name like youtube.com, your device does not understand words. It only understands numbers called IP addresses. So the first thing your device does is ask a system called DNS, which stands for Domain Name System. DNS works like a phone contact list. You give it a name and it gives you the number. Once your device gets the IP address of the website, it knows exactly where to send the request. Now, your request is broken into small pieces called data packets. Each packet contains information about where it came from, where it needs to go, and the order in which it should be reassembled. These packets travel through routers and switches across the internet. They may take different paths depending on traffic and availability, but they all reach the destination and are reassembled correctly. These packets finally reach a data center. A data center is a large facility filled with powerful computers called servers. When a server receives your request, it processes it and prepares the response. If you requested a video, image, or web page, the server breaks that data into packets and sends them back to you using the fastest available route. All of this usually happens in just a few milliseconds. That is why the internet feels instant. However, sometimes your internet feels slow even if you have a high-speed connection. This can happen due to network congestion, distance from the server, server load, or poor Wi-Fi signal at your location. To solve this problem, companies use something called content delivery networks, or CDNs. CDNs store copies of popular content in multiple locations around the world. So instead of fetching data from a faraway server, your device gets it from a nearby one, making things much faster. Security is another important part of the internet. When you see HTTPS in a website address, it means the connection is secure. The data sent between your device and the server is encrypted. Even if someone intercepts the data, they cannot understand it without the correct encryption key. This is what makes online banking, payments, and private messages safe. The internet continues to evolve every day. Technologies like 5G, satellite internet, edge computing, and artificial intelligence are making networks faster and more reliable. In the future, the internet will feel invisible, but will power everything around us, from smart cities to virtual reality. The next time you open a website or watch a video, remember that thousands of computers work together in milliseconds to deliver that content to you. That is the true power of the internet. If you enjoy simple tech explanations like this, follow DailyTechDive for more.